Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the pivot. Here's what it looks like. That's the move. Here is the inverse variation. There it is. And here are slow-mos. A quick word of warning, this is a beginner move, but it's actually very easy to get absolutely stabbed in the hand if you're just trying this without thinking. So I'm just gonna give you 2 tips before we even start to totally avoid that. Number 1 is when you're doing this swing, you wanna make it really big. The bigger the swing, the more the momentum's gonna carry the blade away from your hand. Big swing. 2 is hang on as loosely as you possibly can. We're going to go into all the details on this. The looser you're hanging on, the better. If you are hanging on tightly and doing a little swing, you're going to get poked. All right, guys, so to start this move off, you're going to hang on to the knife in the closed position in just a standard kind of grip, hanging on to the safe handle here, right? So that's the one with the dull side of the blade. My thumb is going to be about halfway up the safe handle here with my 4 fingers along the back. You know, halfway up is kind of important. It's going to help you with the rest of this trick. So, okay, so you're halfway up with your thumb. To begin this move, what you're going to do is we're going to do a swing out with the bite handle, just like so. And so what that looks like is you're kind of going to wind up a little bit by moving the knife or moving your palm towards the floor, and the knife's going to be in a horizontal position, at which point you can release with your bottom 3 fingers. Boom, just like that, having the blade and bite handle out, at which point you can flick your wrist back and have the bite handle go over the back of your hand. So again, standard grip, thumb right in the middle, flipping out the bite handle. At this point, we can take our thumb and middle finger, start with your thumb, place it about 3/4 of the way down the safe handle, and then you can take your middle finger and place that one on the other side of your thumb. What you're going to wind up here is in this position right here, where you're pinched with your thumb and middle finger, and you are created a pivot where the knife can swing around. Now, as mentioned, you really want to hang on to this as loosely as possible while not letting it go flying. The looser you're hanging on, the better. So, halfway up, fling out the bite handle, thumb goes about 3/4 of the way down, middle finger meets it on the other side, and we're going to hang on tight to keep it in place, but loose enough that it can swing freely. We're going to want to do a big swing. So the bigger the swing that you do, a nice big swing, the safer it's going to be. If you do kind of a little tight little swing like that, you can see the blade was coming at my fingers. So a really big swing is going to help you not get cut. And we're going to wind up in this position right here. So safe handle, halfway down with the thumb, flipping out the bite handle, thumb scoots 3/4 of the way down, meets on the other side with the middle finger, big swing, hanging on as loose as possible. And from here, what you're going to do is we're in the perfect position here. It's going to ricochet off, and we can grab on a little tighter so the knife doesn't pivot anymore. And then we can flip up the bite handle just like so into the reverse grip. So halfway down, flipping out the bite handle, 3/4 of the way down, big swing, pinch hard, flip up, and catch just like this. And so what that'll look like, something like that when you master it. That's the basic pivot. Now, to do the inverse variation, it's the exact same thing, just upside down. So same safe handle grip. This time we are upside down with the entire knife, safe handles on this side, and we're going to start by grabbing 3/4 of the way up with our thumb, and we're going to release with our bottom 3 or 4 fingers to have the knife swing out just like this with the blade and bite handle. At this point, our thumb is already in the right position, so we're going to take our middle finger and meet it right there, creating this pivot, and we're going to do another big swing all the way around, hanging on loosely so the knife comes all the way over the top, just like so. At which point, again, we can hang on a little tighter, adjust our grip, and open the knife into the open position, just like this. And so what that's going to look like, upside down, thumb's about 3/4 of the way up, release the bite handle, meet your thumb with your middle finger in this kind of pivot, big swing way around, adjust the grip, pinch tight, and open just like this. And so what that'll look like, just like that for the inverse pivot. So those are the moves. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like that one. Peace.